Hello friends, this is Harmeet from Themang.com, and in previous video we have learned how to install Royal Shop theme in our dashboard and how to import its demo data. So friends, if you have not watched that video, then I have given that link in the description part. You can check that link also. And today we are going to learn how we can manage the home page with the help of customized section. So friends, you can see this is our demo data which we have already imported in the previous video. Now we are going to manage homepage with the help of customized section. So in our dashboard we have to navigate to appearance tab. Under this tab we have to click on the customize and it will open a customize panel, and then we will learn each and every section step by step how we can manage those sections. So you can see this is our customized panel, and here you can see this is the home page sections tab. You have to click on this tab and it will navigate us to a page where we can see all the available sections settings. Now the first section is the main slider section. In this section you can select the layout of the slider. In the free version of theme we have only got the single slider option or the one slider and other images options. So you can choose any one option here, and above that you can either turn this section on or off according to your requirement. So as of now I have just selected the second option, and when you scroll down below you will see the options to add images in our slider, and in the right column you will get option to add some more images. So you can see in our slider we have an image with the name of fashion store which we have already added with the help of this slide option. If you want you can add more slides from the add new slide button, and in this slide you can add your image. You can give the title of the image and subtitle and text, and after that you can add the link of that image. Similarly you can add more slides and add those content in that image also. And at the right column you will get option to add image 1, image 2 and image 3. As you can see this is the image 1, 2 and 3. You can add your images with the help of these sections. So now let's move to another section which is the filter product slider. Here you can see the products are shown in the form of carousel. You can see these are the buttons of carousel and they are showing according to the category in the form of tabs. You can see these are the men's collection category, under which you can see some more products, and under new arrival category you can see other products. So from here you can choose the category of the products which you want to show, and if you don't want to show any category then you can just uncheck these category items. And here you will get option to add the heading of the section. As of now we have written new in clothing, so you can see this is the text which is showing in the header part, and below that you can also choose the product according to your requirement, such as recent product, featured product and random product. As of now in the free version you will get only recent product. If you want those featured and random product option then you can purchase the pro version of the theme. I will put the link in the description part. You can get the pro version from that link. Below that you can have option to enable single row slide, or you can show products in the 2 row. As you can see these are the products showing in the double row. If you want you can check this option and it will show your product in the single row. You can see our products are now showing in single row. And also we have option to autoplay our slide. If you don't want to autoplay your slide then uncheck this option, else you can check this option and it will open some more settings to manage the slider speed, and you can manage it with this option. And now you can see our slider is now auto playing. So these are the options of filter product slider, and the same option section on off is available. If you don't want to display this section you can easily disable it from here. Now our another section is product slider section. Friends, this product slider will help you to show product of a single category. So as you can see our men's collection category is chosen, and then it will show the product of men's collection. You can see our men's collection are activated, and if you don't want this, you can uncheck and select other category. And similar options are available as just we have discussed in the previous section: the section heading, section on off option, and the section recent product option, featured product option, and random product option. Friends, you can check any option from here according to your requirement. And the same option is available here: enable single row slide or enable second row slide. And you can also enable or disable some slide autoplay from here. Now let's move to our new section, which is the product category section. Friends, in this section you can show your product categories here. So friends, as of now this section is disabled. If you enable this section, and then we will see the product categories are shown in our home page. And you can see our categories are coming here. As of now I have not added any image in our categories, that is why it is not showing any image. But when you go to your product section in your dashboard and go to in category section, and if you add any image in your category, then it will show in your home page with the help of that section. You can see these are the categories in which we have not added any images, and when we edit that particular category and add image it, then it will show in your home page. So now let's move to another section, which is the list view slider. You can see in previous video I have discussed that this is the product slider in the form of list view, where you can see the image in the left side and details of the product in the right side. So from here you can choose any category whose product you want to show here, and there you have option to add recent, featured, and random products. So you can choose according to your requirement. And again the same options are available: single row slide and slide autoplay option here. Now let's move to another section, which is add banner section. In this free version you will only get a single column option or a 3 column option. With the help of that you can add your images. Using it you can show your product sales or any important features of your website. Now let's move to another section, which is the brand section. You can add your brand images whose products you are going to sell in your website with the help of this section. And you can also enable slide autoplay from this section. And the last section is our service section. With the help of this you can manage all the available service which you are providing for your customer in this manner. So these are the sections. Using it you can manage your homepage of your website. Now we will talk about these sidebars which are available in our homepage. So just navigate to your widget area and go to primary sidebar. In primary sidebar you can see this is the search bar, which is already showing here, and this is the recent post option. You can see these are the recent posts in our website. And similarly you can add more widgets in the primary sidebar. And for right sidebar you have to choose the secondary sidebar option. You can use any widget in the secondary sidebar option, or you can also add your about us details or any detail according to your requirement. So these are the sidebar options. And similarly you can add more widgets with the help of footer widget area. So we have given 4 different footer widget area. You can choose widgets according to your requirement. So these are the settings with the help of which you can manage the homepage of your website. Friends, if you have any confusion with this video, then you can comment me in the comment section and I will help you with that. And also if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it so that you can get latest notification of my videos. Friends, thanks for watching my video.